Hey there, campers! Here's how to repaint your camper van in Outbound. You can change your vehicle's color by visiting the painting station, located on the map just south of the windmill landmark in the Golden Plains region. Before heading there, make sure to collect at least 15 flower petals from the Windmill Mountain area. You'll also need to unlock the mortar and pestle blueprint, which can only be obtained from the terminal inside the windmill. Once you have everything ready, interact with the mortar and pestle and craft at least 3 paint. Each paint requires 5 flower petals to make. After that, head to the painting station and park your camper van inside the designated area. Next, approach the control panel and interact with it to open the repainting menu. Take your time choosing the colors you want. You can customize both your camper van's main body color and its accent color. Feel free to experiment with different combinations, as you can adjust them as many times as you like before confirming. Once you've settled on a color scheme you like, click Apply to save the changes. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next side quest.